Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan S. 650 cc's, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike came in with only 1,700 miles. It's got some nice touring features, little windscreen, saddlebags, ABS brakes. It's really cool, metallic, deep purple color with the silver highlights. Showroom condition. Come on by, make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true for just $82.99. This gorgeous Vulcan S. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.